In this episode, we're going to do something that Ree's been wanting to do ever since Pearl got here. Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome. This is all about the MT and me. So, we're not exactly going to fix the door today. That'd be a bit of a job because, well, we have to make a door in order to put it on here. But what we are going to do is get this 500,000 screws out on this little hinge piece and get rid of this metal that flaps in the wind and offers a cutting hazard. And then, to get rid of that blue tarp that we've been using, we're going to cover the screen door with plastic so that it'll seal up whenever we close it. It'll look better. I think give us a little better protection too. Okay, well. That was easy, wasn't it? Okay. And that's all that was originally holding the door on. So, we'll probably put something a little stouter back. And this is what the door was made of. Same thing that's on the sides here.
So we can use that to patch small holes.
I think so. Audi has a different pattern though. This is more of a pebble text pattern too. It's not the, what's this called? Wood...
Cedar.
Cedar pattern. So, anyway. Okay. Well, that's that part of the job. Next, we want to cover the screen in plastic. Okay, so we have this plastic that's folded up. It is 10 feet wide whenever you unfold it. So that should loop over the door front and back or get darn close to it. So I'm going to take this and cut it the width of the door plus maybe an inch on each side. Now let's see if I can cut a straight line.
Let me have one end of that. How's the end? Give me the end. Right
There it is. Okay.
You want to go up there?
looks like I'm getting this done just in time. It's looking rather threatening.
To help you one-handed.
I didn't hold the camera. Oh.
Here's hoping the mermaid tape will help to keep the door dry.
Really?
I'm just looking forward to not fighting that tarp anymore.
That is a nice thought. Because we've had our battles with it. Right now, it's an improvement on Pearl. Any improvement I can do on this old girl.
Well, and it's something to do while we're waiting on the rubberized coating, right?
Right, yeah. Yeah, we've been shopping around, doing some online research for that. And looks like we're probably going to have to get somebody to order something. See how well that works. Okay. I feel very accomplished that we got this on there. It actually works. And it looks better than that blue tarp flapping in the breeze here too. So.
And now I can start working.
That's right.
Door.
Now, all sealed up and start working on a door. So. We've been doing some online research and shopping around for.
Let's hold that for.
Okay, hold that thought. All right.
Yeah.
Y'all hold that thought.
It's just cold out here.
Cold and windy. And as you can see, we got a little dusting of snow overnight. I wanted to show you this because, well, it may be the only snow we get this winter.
It's pretty on the tree.
Mm-hmm. So, anyway, winter in the south.
And your Pearl seems none the worse for wear.
There you go. Hey, she's seen a lot more snow than this.
Yeah.
She's from Nebraska. It's been a few days, and it's rained a little bit, so actually it's rained quite a bit, and it's gotten very cold. So thought I'd look inside and see how things were in Pearl.
Your door looks nice.
Before I do that, yeah, look at the entire door here. I don't know if we got a full shot the other day of all the plastic. It's so nice and neat. It's not flapping in the wind or anything.
It is nice.
It gives a good seal. So anyway. All right.
What's it look like inside? Oh.
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 Whoa.
That's a lot of water.
That's a lot of water. Oh.
No, hang on. Ah, about to get hit with the door.
Come on.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. It's got ice on it, too.
Oh, wow, it does have ice on it.
Yeah.
You can kind of sort of see the light refracting on it.
So, yeah. That's
cool.
a lot of water that leaks in. So we obviously still have some serious leaking issues around the air conditioner. Because it came a couple of good hard rainstorms. I have to say, it did rain hard.
Oh, yeah.
Bringing in this latest cold front. But this shows that we're still getting a lot of water collecting on the ceiling. Now the good thing is, it's not wet back here. There's no trace of it being wet on the floor, and all of this used to get soaked every time it rained. So,
Your
our
seam tape's
seals,
working.
our tape is working.
Yeah.
But just kind of like we said initially, whenever we put this in, it is forcing all the water to collect around this air conditioner unit.
Hey, did you ever did you ever show the footage where you put the board up on the roof?
No, I didn't.
Well, why don't you show that right here?
Okay. Good idea. Well, it's only one board laying across the roof, but this will give you a little idea of how uneven this roof is. You see it touching on the side, and it's touching on that side over there. The board's a piece of molding. It is fairly straight. If anything, it might be sagging a little bit in the middle, but you can also see how much of a gap there is in the middle, right there, where it sank in. This is why water is pooling on the roof.
Okay, so I think we need to rebuild the whole roof, but that's for another day.
Yeah, for the time being, well, we can let this go for a day or two because maybe until tomorrow, because it's not supposed to rain for a few days. I'll let this finish dripping, and then we'll get this emptied before next rain comes. And maybe we'll have a brainstorm of an idea of how to stop the leaks around the air conditioner.
I think the first step's going to be to take the air conditioner out.
Probably. That's going to leave a big hole, though, so we might be...
But the big hole's bigger, easier to plug than a little one.
Might be shooting ourselves in the foot with that one, but we'll see.
A big hole you can see is easier to plug than a little one you can't. Do you realize that the water is dripping right on the edge of the pool?
Yes, right on the edge, which means I put the pool in exactly the right spot whenever I set it back down there after emptying it the last time. But anyway, that ice in the pool should tell you that it has gotten a lot colder, as we mentioned earlier. Right now it's around 35, 36, feels more like 30. We're supposed to have a low of, I think, 16 tonight. Maybe a little bit warmer tomorrow, but still, it's way too cold to do anything. It's too cold to use our Russ converter and test it because it's not going to work. It's too cold to do anything about that dip in the ceiling on top. It's too cold to do just about anything. We can't even get out and, replace the fender on Lady that I'd also planned to do. I just don't want to get out in this cold weather and do it. So basically I'm telling you that I'm not going to do anything else this weekend because it's too cold. So we're going to bring this video to a close at this point. But we've got more things on the horizon, and maybe in a few days, well, I don't want to say maybe because actually it will. This is winter in the south. So in a few days it'll warm up some and we'll get out here and do some more and we'll tell you about it then. Yeah. Okay? Have I forgotten anything?
That we hinted about something on Facebook?
Well, that's right. We did hint about something on Facebook, but you know what? It's too cold to do anything about it right now. So,
yeah.
So we're not going to do anything else. Just keep working on the hint. And keep watching for more of the MT and me, because we will be back next week, even if it is cold again. Till next time around, hope you're staying warm this winter time. We're trying our best to do so. I'm Russ. Reed is behind the camera. We will talk later. I'm so happy it hasn't leaked back here, though. That pleases me. It doesn't even look like the window leaks, and that was something that was still leaking. So
nice. My hand's frozen. I'm not sure I can turn
the
camera
move.
off.
Okay, well.
If I only had a brain. Okay, seriously, my hand is frozen, so let's go inside.
All right, let's go.
All right.